Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I've got something completely different here for me today. This is something that I don't normally buy. Just stretching my wings a little bit, talk to Mrs. TB, she's in on it. She wants to try as well to, get into a little bit more stuff along the way and break out from the stacking mentality slightly. So many of you who watch our live stream on Monday nights at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time know that we had a guest on a few weeks ago. His name is World Stalker, and if you haven't seen his channel, check it out because he brings a really unique perspective to the coin community. And he is also in the process of doing a series on investment coins. And so one of the things I haven't really looked at is investment coins. I'm a stacker, not really out there to make a ton of money, although it would be nice. So anyway, I've been listening to his videos, and I think he makes a lot of sense. So this is our attempt. This is our first attempt to get an investment coin. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cut this open. I ordered this off of eBay. So, a lot of you are anxious about ordering on eBay and you don't like to take your chance, but let me tell you, eBay has a money back guarantee, and if you pay through PayPal, they will also guarantee it. I at one point made an unfortunate decision, ordered something on eBay that I knew wasn't right. It was priced way too low. Ordered it. The next day I got an email from eBay saying that the buyer that I just ordered something from was not in good status, and they thought that it was a counterfeit page or a counterfeit buyer, and that even though I'd already paid for the item, they would go ahead and take care of it. So a couple days later, credited back to my PayPal account was the amount that I paid for the item. So I have a lot of confidence in eBay, but you also need to have confidence in yourself. Don't order something that seems to be too good to be true, because as the old adage says, it probably is. So let's see what I picked up. So let me get in here and see what we have. It looks like let me show you what it looks like. It's a strange looking case that it's in. I will open it up. Looks like, I don't think this is a invoice on the bottom, but there's definitely, you can see the writing, there's definitely something there. So let me open it up from the top. It's packaged very nicely. Take it off of here. Okay, whatever's on the bottom we're not looking at. So I'm anxious to see this. This is first thing for me, guys. It's not that I don't have any graded coins. I do have a few, but this is my first big purchase for an investment coin. Look at that, South African Mint. You guys getting a clue on what it might be? Let's open this up. Take a look. Get it out of there. That. Oh my gosh. Man, my lights are really bad today for some reason. It is the 2017 50th anniversary of the Silver Krugerrand. Well, it's the 50th anniversary of the Krugerrand, but it's the first year that they did the Silver Krugerrand. So this thing is SP70, which means it's in perfect condition. It's graded by NGC. Look at that thing, huh? Is that beautiful or what? So yeah, listen to World Stalker. He makes a lot of sense on why you should pick this stuff up now while it's still relatively early. The longer you wait, the more years you wait to get into it. You're going to have to pay more and more for it. And this, especially because it's the first year, is running at a pretty good clip. But I got this for a really good price on eBay. So let me go over here. Let's turn on the coin cam. Hit this filter for a second. And there we go. Whoa, look at that. Now the black things you see on there are really just a reflection of the mirroring. Now this thing obviously at SP70 is in perfect condition. So look at that. Yeah, see, as I move it, you can see the black specks go away off the face. That's just the mirror bouncing off the lights. So yeah, very, very different for us to pick up something like this. And but on the other hand, I think World Stalker's right. I think this has the potential to make some money someday. Now, not tomorrow. This isn't something I'm looking to flip in a day or a week or a year. This is something I'm going to hang on to, throw it in the safe, and wait for it to become even more valuable. And anybody who can look these up on eBay know that they're already quite a bit more than what they came out as, especially graded. So look at that. That's beautiful. And I think there was something else inside this bag as well. Oh yeah, see, I got the original mint set without the box that it came in, but look at this. It gives all the specs. 1 of a million. They made a million of these. Yep, looks like they made a million of them. 31 grams, 31.1 grams diameter, 999 silver. Says, gives some names that were involved in the process. So this thing is awesome. So yeah, what do you guys think, huh? It's going definitely out of the box for me and Mrs. TB, but we felt that, you know, getting into an investment coin or two might be a good thing at this point. We're certainly doing our stacking and doing well on that. But having a little something something to change it up a bit is, you know, not a bad idea either. So I just hit that. Let me see if I can bring that down again. Maybe a little too much, but yeah, it's so hard with this light bouncing off of this plastic case to see it. But it is a beauty. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. And let me know your comments. I'm sure some people will agree, some will disagree on whether or not we should have purchased something like this. But it just gives us a whole nother avenue, a whole nother realm of the whole bullion situation. You know, doing plenty of stacking. Thought maybe about doing a little investing too. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and do that now. And also, go ahead and check out the 2 videos just popped up. Got some great content out there. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.